Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Philips Smart Air Fryer Combi 7000 series, and now I'm gonna show you how to use manual cooking feature on this device. Basically, it's very easy to do. You just need to find manual cooking on your air fryer. You will see this sign on your screen, this icon. So you can scroll right or left to find manual cooking, and then click on the ring. And now you just need to adjust the time. To adjust the time, you need to scroll your ring right or left, and you can choose max. You can choose max 3 hours, as you can see. But you can use several minutes, for example. For example, I wanna start my program up to 1 minute, for example. So then click OK. Now you need to adjust the temperature. So change the temperature. The max temperature on my device is 200 degrees of Celsius. So you can check it, you can change it. You can change it from 40 degrees up to 200 degrees, as you can see. So select desired temperature and click on the ring. And now you need to adjust air speed, so the fan's speed. So we have only 2 fan modes, so one and second one. So first one and second one. So click OK, for example, and then just click Start. That's it. If you wanna pause the program, you just need to click on the ring. During the program, you can, without fading, you can just open the grill and you can close it when you want. For example, if program running, I can open the air fryer and then just close it when I want, and program will automatically continue. So if you wanna stop the program, you just need to click pause, then click back, and that's it. It's very easy, as you can see. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!